Yo, what is up, Rice Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we have got some parts in for the EG hatch. For those of you that don't know, I was waiting on my half shaft and the rest of the shift box. So right now, today we are probably going to be putting that stuff in, and we'll probably drill the holes and stuff for the shift linkages. So right now I got the car jacked up. I'm gonna finish jacking it up, putting it on jack stands and everything, and then I will hit you guys back. So, Rice Gang, as you guys can see, it is sunny and really hot outside. So as for right now, I am going to take you guys in the house with me, and we are going to put this shifter together, and then I guess we will come back outside and put it in the car and also install the half shaft and linkages. So, alrighty. What is this? Corn, go get me a knife. You hear me, little ugly dude? Oh, I ain't even need this. They gave me one. They gave me a couple. Alrighty. This goes in here. Oh yeah. Corn, that be right.
What is that?
Shift box. You know, like the shifter? That's what this is. It's just a racing aftermarket one.
Is that all you need to fix your car? Whatever you just ordered?
No, it the fuck is not.
What else do I need?
The Wi-Fi and a distributor cap.
Yeah, I wonder why I need a
No,
distributor
you need a
cap.
plug, nigga. You don't need a cap.
I wonder why I need a
No,
distributor
you need
cap.
a cap. You don't need a cap. You need the fucking adapter harness.
Okay,
That ain't my fault. That's Dustin's fault.
Dustin has one.
No, he do not. Cause he don't even know what the fuck is it.
How do you know what he know where what is
I
it?
asked him the other day 3 times.
Okay.
No, I gotta find it, boy.
Quan, that's the same thing you say about anything. I be like, bro,
He never had one.
let me go buy this.
He never
No, we
had
got one somewhere.
Shut your ass up.
Yeah, you do the same thing.
But
Then you get mad when somebody else.
And I keep all my fucking parts. Motherfucker, how you think your car almost that done?
Not cause of your parts, cause I bought my stuff.
Well, you ain't buy no goddamn nuts, bolts, and nothing else, nigga.
Okay, bro. Okay, guys, so we are now back outside with the shift box, and we are going to be installing it in the car. So let's jump right into that. I might bake out here, guys, so just stay aware of that. So, Rice Gang, we are back with the base plate and the EG hatch. For anybody also thinking about doing this, I would say bolt in the back two first and then drill your holes in the front, because I thought the holes were already there. There's like these little cutout circles. I thought they were already there, but when I drilled those out and then tried to bolt the plate up. It actually didn't bolt up. So for my suggestion, I would say to bolt up the back first and then drill the holes. But right now we are going to put the actual shifter on here, and I'll turn y'all around so y'all can see that. Here we actually have the shifter right here that we can bolt up, and which we are currently doing. So and for the front, and then this other side over here. And then we are to, oh, excuse me. We are to, there it is. We are to tighten these down. Okay, so guys, turn for a second. I really like this. Yeah. The only thing I really don't like is, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's kind of like, it's like a little crooked. I don't know. I really don't like that. Like looking this way, you can see it's a little bent this way. So, it might be the way that I put it together, but I'm gonna see if I can get that out. But other than that, it's really nice. Feels smooth, real tight. Hopefully we don't miss any gears. But yeah, as of now, it looks real nice. But what I'm thinking about doing, guys, is I kind of want to keep this piece right here. So what I might do is run my linkages from here and probably run them up through here and then cut my holes and everything. But without further ado, see you guys later, Rice Gang.